Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Pure Cosmetics mystery bag. Yeah, anyway, so I'm excited to show you what's inside. I haven't even opened it, so we'll see what they have. I know it's pretty limited. It's once they run out, they don't have it anymore at the site, but I wanted to try it because I know that they brought it back from last time they had done the $25 mystery bag, and it's a value of $115 retail. That's what they said in the little description.
So initially I was just gonna do a full unboxing video, but I wanted to go a little bit into what their product is, and before we go into the unboxing like that, you have an idea of what this cosmetic line is even about, rather than just sharing a bunch of product for you to see. That kind of defeats the purpose of the video. You can see here as you scroll down, when you go into the website, you'll see what the products are, what the ingredients are.
The product doesn't have any parabens, doesn't have any gluten, doesn't have any petroleum oil, it's talc free.
I can only tell you based on my experience and the products I've used so far, I am highly pleased. Now, have I seen a drastic change like this in my skin? No, I definitely wish that was the case, but regardless, the other people have, I just know I haven't. Now, I haven't had any breakouts or irritation or blemishes, so that to me is a huge plus since I do have very sensitive skin.
I've actually started using Pure Cosmetics for 3 months now. I used their mineral powder, which I love, their 4-in-1 mineral powder. Very, 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 very good if you have problem skin like myself. I get breakouts, blemishes, especially with certain products, and Pure 4-in-1 mineral powder has not caused any allergic reaction or even breakouts or any irritation in my skin. So I'm really, really excited to try some more of their products. I also have their 360 eye primer. Love it, love it. So far I got those two, and I ordered the actual primer as well. That's what I initially went on the website for, is to order their primer, their 4-in-1 primer, which I'm really excited about that. And as I use it, I'll review and let you guys know how it's going. Alright, so the first product is the 4-in-1 correcting primer. Now this one didn't come in the mystery bag. This one I actually bought. That's the main purpose I went on there. On the Pure Cosmetic website, I wanted to get the primer. It's an essential step to having a nice finish application when it comes to your foundation. Even for your eyes too. You prime your lids like that, the shadows stay put, they don't move or crease throughout the day. Same applies for your actual face primer, for 2 reasons. One, if you're oily or combination, throughout the day your skin starts to produce sebum, starts to produce the oils, your pores start to look, obviously the makeup starts to sink into your skin, into the areas where you smile, your frown lines, or even your smile lines, whatever the case may be, they start to sink in the foundation. The primer smooths it out, gives you that smooth finish, and allows the foundation to stay put throughout the day. It's the best way to put it. Even if you have dry skin, it'll give you that flawless application, finish application when it comes to foundation. So prime, let's continue. The trials they gave me, Melt Away Makeup Towelette, Heyyy Lift Firmy Facial Cream. Excited to try these too. Tone Up, Total Eye Fitness. packaging. It's very simple, but still very pretty. Very pretty. Nothing wrong with simple. Simple, and the wand, instead of straight, it's a little bit inverted up, which is good, then it'll go with the shape of the lips. Doesn't have a bad smell at all. Yeah, it's a pretty neutral smell. It's just a gloss. Doesn't have any. Just a shiny gloss. Very little color, if any. Okay, so first thing. Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Very excited about trying all these. Alright, let's go ahead and open that up. Pink is my favorite color. Very cute packaging. Again, very simple design, but still very pretty. Same kind of wand. And this one's a matte. Of course, I haven't tried their lipsticks. It's my first time. It's a very pretty pink color. It looks a lot more fuchsia with the lighting. It's a little lighter than that, but it is bright. Very pretty. No smell, not too strong of a smell, it's very neutral smell. The Pure, coming in a little wrapper, I just took it out, but for blush, blush brush, Purminerals. That's a good, it's dense, it's nice. Quick tip with brushes, the denser it is, the more product you'll pick up. The looser it is, the less product you'll pick up. So this is nice because it's going to be able to pick up enough product as far as for the blush goes. If it's a powder blush, it'll pick up the powder blush really nicely. And it's nice because it has that little angle shape, which would be perfect for blush. Alright, now this I'm really excited about because I wanted to try their bronzing powder. Let me just wait. Maybe it'll come in a mystery box. Mystery bag. I'm calling it box. Mystery bag. And I'm happy I did. So happy I did. Go ahead and open that up. Again, very simple packaging. Alright, the question. Is this worth it? Is it worth it? Yes. Especially if you are starting to do makeup, you have sensitive skin, and this mystery bag comes out again, I would definitely tell you, buy it, guys, because for what you're getting a bronzer, which this alone would have been almost around that price range, the $25 price range. Plus, you're gonna get a chrome glaze lip gloss. You're also gonna get a matte if you're not a lip gloss type of girl. And then you get a little blush brush or bronzer blush, works for both. And then you get a nice little palette. Oh, backwards. Nice little palette. And the palette has bronzer, the palette has blush, and it has highlight, and then it has 6 colors, which that alone is enough to create a good amount of eye looks. So is it worth it? Yeah, I definitely would say it's worth it. It's a good amount of product you're getting for $25. Otherwise would have been, I would say, a value of around what they said, no less than $115. I do believe that is correct based on the blush alone, and the palette alone would have been around that, hitting that price almost, and then adding the 2 glosses plus the brush. It's definitely worth it for the amount of money that you're paying for it. Definitely try it next time it comes out. See what you get. Post a video or comment below if you did get the mystery bag and what did you get. I'm really excited to see if they had the same thing in every bag or if it's something different, because I was tempted to buy more than one bag. Next time I'll do that. buy more than one bag and see if it's the same thing. Anyways guys, comment below, let me know what your favorite product is from Pure if you use Pure, and let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if you want me to create an eye look with this palette plus the glosses or the mattes. Let me know what you want to see next. Alright, well thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, thank you for staying till the end. And until next time, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you do want to see more videos.